How to print a photo in gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the picture gallery, or in the app screen, we can open up the gallery app. Now once you're in here, make sure you go back to the gallery homepage. Then open up a picture that you want to print, and then tap on the more button at the top. Next, from the pop-up menu, tap on print. In here, tap on select a printer from the drop down. Now make sure your phone has already been set up and connected to a printer. If not yet, then go ahead and connect your phone to the printer. In here, you can choose all printer and then you can search for an available printer. Okay, so once you have select a printer, you can then tap on the print button. Now, if you do not have a print button, you can also save the picture as a PDF document. So in here, I will save it to my documents folder and tap on done. So if I go to files, and if I go to documents, here is my PDF document, so I can open it with my Samsung Note. So this is my PDF document, which has a pictures in it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.